Everybody back here, EMD Automotive. Just want to show you, I want to repair the actual connectors for the glow plugs. That's the connector for the glow plugs for your diesel. So the glow plugs just right there, right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a heat shrink. If you look at the other one, just hold that. I've got some heat shrink right here, right there, clear heat shrink for heat. So I'm going to put that in there like that. If you look here, because otherwise you got to buy a new harness for the actual glow plugs. Put it like that, and I'm going to put that in here, in there like that. So if you look at it, it's like that. Yep. So now I'm going to heat it up with the actual match, like that. Next one. Okay, so